Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the currency power meter indicator for MT4. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the currency power meter indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please don't forget to click on the yellow DLL ports in the settings window. The currency power meter is an indicator that measures the individual strengths of currencies. With this knowledge, a trader can use the strengths and weaknesses of currencies to select pairs that could potentially be profitable. This power determining indicator uses histograms to portray the strength of each currency. Every currency has a wide and a narrow histogram in front of it. The wide histogram depicts the currency strength on the daily chart, while the narrow histogram depicts the currency strength on any other time frame you are on. In the indicator settings, we can change the display currencies, currency pairs as sources of information, and also change the colors of the histograms. So how to trade with currency power meter indicator? Just load the indicator and compare the strengths of currencies. Pick a strong and weak one. Then open the currency pair chart to look for trade entries using other forex analysis tools such as other indicators and market structures. For instance, the USD has strength of 6.8 on the daily time frame, and the NZD has only 3, so you are looking to trade the NSD-USD in the daily or 4-hour time frame. Because the USD has a higher strength and NSD has a low strength, you look for a sell signal on the currency pair. The indicator shows itself best of all on high time frames, since there is too much volatility on small ones. The currency power meter indicator is the best for both beginner and expert forex traders, because it has a simple interface and it's easy to use. Also, day traders and swing traders would find this indicator very useful. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!